Computer networking, day 5. Welcome back, everybody. My name is Wisdom, your trainer for this entire series. In today's video, we'll be dealing with VPN, or Virtual Private Network. Without wasting much of your time, let's get down to today's class. Now let's see the outcome of today's class. At the end of today's lecture, you'll be able to 1. Understand what VPN is, and 2. Understand when and where to use a VPN. So VPN. A VPN, which stands for a Virtual Private Network, establishes a secure and reliable network connection over an unsecure network such as the internet. Okay, so the internet here is a type of network which is the public network. Okay, so let me use an example to explain this. So I have these two buildings. Now this is the head office and this is the hospital. So the head office is in country A. So we have country A here, where the head office is located, and the hospital is located in country B. And mind you, this is an investment of these guys. Okay, so the head office need details of what is going on in the, so maybe monitoring the x-ray, how many scans they've done a day, how many patients came in, every detail, every record from this particular hospital. Now the easiest and simplest way for the head office to communicate or get data from the hospital is through the internet. But it's a big problem. The internet is full of bad guys. Okay, so we have the black hat guys, the ash cap guys, and many of them hackers everywhere. Okay, and these bad guys are waiting to get their hands on this company sweet data. Okay, so their main work here is to get their hands on the company's data. Okay, so they are waiting always on the internet to see who they are going to penetrate through their network and get information from their network. Okay, so the solution to this is by the use of a VPN, or Virtual Private Network. Okay, so this is the internet, and these bad guys are over here. Now for this office to get information from the hospital, is going to create a virtual private network. So the VPN, the virtual private network, or the VPN, is described as a tunnel. Okay, so with a VPN, your data is encrypted while passing the internet. Okay, so this is the internet. So your data is encrypted while passing through this internet. So this way, if any of these bad guys try to lay their hands on your data, they won't. So once your data is received, it will be decrypted into a readable format at the destination. So this type of connection is called a site-to-site VPN. So in a site-to-site connection like this, you connect the entire site, one entire site, with the next entire site, and they will always be active, meaning that this site and this site will always be on for communication to be happening. Okay, so a site-to-site VPN needs to be configured on both networks. So with your network at this office, you will configure your VPN, and also at this end you also configure your VPN. Now we have another type of VPN, which is the remote access VPN. So have remote access VPN. Pardon my writing. So remote access VPN connects specific computers to a private network. So if you have your staff here working from home, or maybe from a coffee shop, you will create a remote user account for each of these staffs working from home or from any of their location, you will create a remote user account for each of them that want a VPN access, so they can connect directly to your VPN. So once you create this account, you request each user to obtain and install the VPN software on their client computers. So the job of a VPN is to ensure a safe delivery of your data across the public network, which is the internet. So it protects your internet activities and disguise your identity on the internet. So remember, whenever I want to order an internet service, you go to an internet service providers or ISPs. They will come and set up your internet. Now, when the setup is being finished, all your internet activities are routed through their server. So it means that your ISP can see and log all your internet activities. But this won't be a problem if your ISPs keeps your data private. But it's possible that your ISPs are sharing your information with a third party, like the government or maybe advertisers. And when they do this, all your information are no longer private. So this is where VPN comes in. And this is why, and it's important, you should use VPN when transferring an important data from a particular site to another. So let's see the benefits of a VPN. So a VPN will disguise your identity by hiding your IP address. So whenever you order an internet service, the provider is going to give you a unique IP address. So this IP address is attached. So this IP address is attached to your home or office network. So whenever you are surfing the internet, the website which you are searching is going to show your IP address. Okay, so but by the use of a VPN, the website will no longer see your IP address, else they will be seeing the IP address of the VPN server. So the VPN hides your original IP address and shows the website the IP address it generated from its own server, so making you to surf the internet anonymously. So another benefit of VPN is that it encrypts and protects your internet data. So whenever you are sending a data from the source to a destination, so this is source and this is destination. So whenever you're sending the data from a source to destination, your data are being broken into smaller packets until it gets to its destination. So your data is going to be broken into smaller packets until it gets to its destination. So in this transport process leading your data to its destination, your data can be spied by the government or even your ISP, or definitely by a hacker somewhere. Okay, so for you to avoid this, a VPN will help you to create something like a tunnel. So let me use another color. So it will create something like a tunnel, adding an extra layer of protection to your data. So whenever these hackers, government or your ISP tries to see your data before it reaches its destination, they won't be able to find any meaning in your data. So the third benefit of VPN is that VPN will enable you to access restricted internet content. So maybe if you're in a particular geographical location and there's some content you need which is not available in your own location, maybe in your own country, VPN can help you access those data. Okay, let's use an example. So maybe you are trying to access Netflix or maybe other kind of content or data from a particular country. So maybe you're in country A and this Netflix is not available in country A, but it's available in country B, country C, country D, and even country E. So what happened is this: when you try to surf the internet to go to this website to get these particular videos or data from this particular website, your IP address will tell this website that this content is not available in your own country. So, but with the help of VPN, you can search different VPN servers. So you can have country B server, VPN server, country C, VPN server, country E, VPN server, etc. So with VPN, you can search this server and it will change your IP address, making you to look as if you are in this particular country while you are in country A. So it will look as if you are in country B, country C, country D, or country A while you are still in your own country. So by using the VPN of a particular country which has the content you are looking for, the VPN is going to give you an IP address relating to that particular country. Then you can access the data you are looking for. So the last benefit of VPN we're talking about today is that a VPN provides a secure connection for remote workers. So if we have this business that has some staff working remotely from either their home or wherever location they are from, for them to be able to communicate and share data across themselves, they need a connection link. Okay, so this connection link can be something like a lease line or a private line, but for them to use a lease line or private line is going to be very expensive, especially if the office is far from their location. Okay, so some of these businesses uses a VPN. So some of this business uses a VPN on an existing internet or public network. So by using this VPN, they create a tunnel for all their data passing through the internet. So their data will be encrypted and also be decrypted when it reaches the destination. So who is VPN for? So VPN is for anybody that wants to secure his data across the internet. So if you have a crucial and sensitive data that you want to send through the public network, which is the internet, you need a VPN for you to be able to do that. So avoid public network if you are not using a VPN. So most times you'll be in public places and you're connected to public Wi-Fi. So maybe like coffee shops, or maybe you're in a cafe, or you booked a hotel and you're using their free Wi-Fi. Be rest assured that you're not the only one connected to that particular network. So there might be bad guys waiting for you to share sensitive information and they can steal your data on that network. So whenever you're in a public place or you must connect to a public network, always use a VPN to share sensitive data or to access your sensitive information on the internet. Class activity. From what you have learned today, do you think VPN is a good option? Please pause the video for a while and carry on this task. Drop your answer on the comment section below. Thank you. That is all for all we have for today's video. Please, if you have not subscribed to our channel, please do that. Like, share and comment if you learn anything, and please don't forget to do your class activity. Very important. So you can support by subscribing to the channel and also following us on our Facebook handle. Thank you guys, and see you in my next video.